Okay, here we have another one of those plastered or stucco chimneys that were all checked up and cracked up because the crown was open. So what we've done is added the crown flashing here, and it's about 5 inches deep, and it takes all the water away from the front so it doesn't run down the side of the chimney. It drips it off the edge. It's called a drip edge. You can see it there at the bottom. So you can see I've used two methods of patching here. The cracks I did with a latex painter's caulking, flexible caulking, and that area where there was some bricks showing through, I've mortared up using a glue in the mortar to hold it. And you can see there I've started to put elastomeric paint on a little bit of it. I've done both sides because they weren't too bad, but here you can see the whole reason was water was continually running in the top around the flues and also down the sides on the outside and soaking in and causing everything to deteriorate for a long time. This chimney will be much more serviceable with the drip edge, and it will be look good, because it looked very bad to begin with, and now it's going to look great and not be a drawback to this beautiful house. You can see I'm using workers' comp WorkSafe BC fall protection on this steep roof because it's pretty steep. So I've got my rope handy here. I've got it fastened onto my clip, which is screwed to the framing in the roof, and I can work here safely without worried about falling off. And that's one of the main things that companies are trying to do today, is prevent accidents. Anyway, here's the in progress of the chimney, showing 3 different stages with the mortar patch on, the caulking in the little cracks, the hairline cracks, and the elastomeric paint started.